When approaching an intersection, it's legal to enter on a green or yellow light. The yellow light is simply a warning that the light is about to turn red. If you see the light turn yellow, you should stop if there's enough time to do so safely. It's not legal to enter the intersection after the light turns red. When the light turns green, you should wait until any vehicles or pedestrians are out of the way before proceeding. Cross traffic that entered on a yellow light may still be in the intersection. In addition to signal lights, there are also turn arrows. Green arrows indicate a protected turn, which means that other traffic stops for you. If there is no arrow, obey the signal light and wait for oncoming traffic to clear before proceeding. After checking the cross traffic and pedestrians have cleared the intersection, you can turn when the light is green. If you have a green arrow on a right turn, you have the right of way and do not need to stop if the intersection is clear and it is safe to turn. This is also true for multiple lane right turns. Be sure to remain in the same lane you start from. In most intersections, you can make a right turn on a red light after making a complete stop behind the line first. Then slowly pull ahead to check for traffic. However, sometimes you cannot turn right on a red light. Whenever there's a sign or a red turn arrow, you should wait for a green light before turning right. There are a few other things you should know about signal lights. Flashing yellow lights means slow down, but don't stop. Watch for cars on either side and enter cautiously. Flashing red lights or no lights at all, as in a power outage, are the same as a stop sign controlled intersection. Be sure you come to a complete stop and follow the same right-of-way rules. In congested traffic, make sure you can get all the way through the intersection before entering. You can get a ticket if you block traffic in an intersection after the light in your direction turns red. Always remember to drive cautiously and follow the rules of the road to ensure your safety and the safety of others.